dress, feeling the weight loss, feeling it. Yeah, feeling it. Hey, it's Valerie with another video. I thought it would be a good time for an update, mainly just like a major life update. So I don't know if you guys have noticed, but number one, I've been away. My career is extremely demanding. I just got a promotion, yay! So it's gonna be even crazier. Kind of just busy moving up the corporate ladder and in the corporate world, and I love it. So I don't have much time for YouTube or pretty much anything else anymore. Absolutely pretty much nothing else except for work and family, which is fine. But one thing I have dedicated myself to is my weight loss journey. So you guys who have been following me since day one, I always say I'm plumpy. I'm a plumpy girl. I'm plumpy. Well, I am no longer plumpy. I like to say that I'm thick. So I went from plumpy to thick. So I'm resting comfortably in about a size 10 right now. So I'm so super happy. I think any smaller and I wouldn't like how I look, but I do want to tone. But I am 5'9", so I'm 5'9" and a size 10. So I started my weight loss journey in 2019. So I'm literally I just hit my 2-year anniversary, and that's how long it took me to lose about 120 pounds. Amazing. I mean, I'm completely satisfied. Again, size 10, medium. I'm thick. I'm not too thin. It's just perfect, like literally perfect. So yeah. So I guess I can show you guys how I look. I'm wearing baggy clothes, which I guess is bad, but this is how I look with my weight. And that's a front view. I guess I can do a side view. That's how I look. Side view. Make sure you guys can see me here. Side view. Rear view, and yes, so that's me, my weight. So what I'm going to do really quickly to show you a better example of my weight loss is actually put on what I would have considered before I started my weight loss journey, like my dream outfit, right? So I think when big girls, plumpy girls, are really overweight and just fantasizing about having that dream body, they always picture like, if I were thin, this is what I would wear. So I'm gonna put that on, and then I think that will show you a good, accurate representation of my weight loss, and then that'll be it. I'll wrap up and let you guys go. All right, I'll be right back. Yeah, so this is my Valerie life body update. For any of you who are still humored and entertained by my videos, thanks for watching.